This is a boat that came in for winterization, had dead battery. Drive was bleeding down, and so when the drive bled down, it wouldn't, your power trim wouldn't keep it up. When it bled down, there's a puddle of oil where the drive oil was draining from the prop, and it's possibly for sale. So we went ahead and pulled the drive off for a couple of different reasons. One, we wanted to see about the boots. The shift cable boot is in absolutely awful shape for the inner shift cable, and the U-joint bellows got water in it, so there's a leak in the bellows, and you can see the water's been in there for an extended period of time because the gimbal bearing is completely rusted. So U-joint bellows, gimbal, inner shift cable boot. Don't know what to do about the drive bleeding down. So that's where the oil was leaking out of it. That's where water's just been staying inside the boot right there. So this has turned into a major item, and we haven't even got to the reasons it's leaking oil out of there yet.